In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from a Monday.com board. Monday.com, as many of you know, is a powerful tool used by teams to manage projects, tasks, and collaborate effectively. However, there may come a time when you need to declutter your workspace, or perhaps you're no longer involved in a particular project, and thus, you find yourself needing to unsubscribe from a board. Whether it's for personal organization or simply because you're winding down on a project, learning how to effectively manage your subscriptions on Monday.com can really help keep your notifications and tasks streamlined. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the Monday.com homepage. Now, if you've been using Monday for a while, you're likely familiar with this step, but for newcomers, it simply involves launching your preferred web browser and logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage where your journey begins. Next is selecting the board you wish to unsubscribe from. Boards on Monday.com are where all the action happens. They're the central hubs where tasks are listed, projects are planned, and teams collaborate. As you look through your list of boards, consider which ones are relevant to your current roles or tasks. If you spot a board that you're no longer actively participating in, that's the one you'll want to focus on for unsubscribing. Once you've identified the board, the next step is to click on the Invite button located at the top right corner of the page. Initially used to add new members to the board, this Invite button also grants you access to additional options regarding board subscriptions and memberships. It might seem a bit counterintuitive at first. Why go to Invite when you want to unsubscribe? But Monday.com centralizes member management within this area, making it a one-stop shop for modifying user roles and access, including unsubscribing. Once you click on the Invite button, you'll be directed to a section where you can view a list of all the members and subscribers of that board. Here, you'll see everyone who has access, their roles, and several action options next to their names. If you're managing teams or projects, it's a good area to familiarize yourself with, as understanding who has access to what is crucial for maintaining privacy and project integrity. Now comes the final step: unsubscribing from the board. Next to your name, you'll notice an X button. This button is your ticket out. Clicking it will remove your subscription to the board, effectively stopping any notifications or updates you're receiving related to that board. A simple click can make a world of difference in managing your workflow and ensuring you're only involved in discussions and tasks that are immediately relevant to you. You might encounter a prompt or confirmation dialog box asking if you're sure you want to unsubscribe. This feature is designed to prevent accidental unsubscriptions. Confirm your intention, and voila, you're unsubscribed from the board. It's a simple process, but one that can significantly affect your productivity and focus on Monday.com. Before we wrap up, let's touch on a couple of additional tips. Remember, unsubscribing from a board doesn't delete it or affect other members in any way. It simply removes it from your list and stops updates to you personally. If you're managing a team and looking to clean up the workspace, consider who needs to be subscribed to which boards, and don't hesitate to use the board settings to manage these memberships effectively. If at any point you find yourself needing to resubscribe to a board, the process is just as simple. You can either ask the board owner to re-invite you, or if you still have access to view the board, you can often resubscribe through the board's subscription settings. That wraps up our guide on how to unsubscribe from a Monday.com board. It's a straightforward process, but an important one to master for anyone looking to keep their Monday.com workspace organized and relevant. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to make the most of your tools and boost your productivity.